In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can buy the CHILLGUY meme coin on your Phantom wallet. This is very easy. As you can see, I have my Phantom wallet right here. And to do it, what you need to do is click right here, the last tab, and you will see the CHILLGUY token, or you can search it right here. I'm just gonna click it. You need to make sure it's the real one. You can see the market cap, their website, Telegram, and all the information. You can also view it on SoulScan to make sure it's the real token. This is the token address, so make sure this is the address. I'm gonna open it, and to buy it, you need to click on swap. You can see how it's performing. It has been doing so well because of the recent meme. And to buy it, you just need to click on swap, select Solana or the coin you want, and set how much you want to buy. You can see the details right here, how much you are paying, how much you are receiving, review your order, and swap. So that's it. Now your token will appear here. In my case, I didn't do it because I don't have a lot of money on this wallet and I will lose a lot of money with the fees. But your token, the CHILLGUY token, will appear here, just like this one, and you will be able to see the performance, how much you are making or losing. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.